It's Friday, June 20th, end of a good week. We got our excavation done in the parking area. So you can see that it is flattened out nicely now. No big pile of dirt in the middle. And there is the house. And Mitch is heading on out. It's a little bit early on Friday. We're taking off to have a nice weekend for a change. So there you can see the radius of the parking area. People will drive in, come wide on the corner here and into the first bay up there. This is a telephone wire. I don't know if they're even using the telephone anymore, but the telephone was above grade, so we have a wire temped in. It's a burial grade sunlight resistant wire with large conductors. It's actually sprinkler control wire, and so that'll work until we get the phone company in here to replace the wire. And that's even if they do replace the wire, because pretty much everybody just uses cell phones nowadays. But there you can see the radius of the parking area from here up to the house. Those are control wires for the sprinklers, and in there are the old supply and sprinkler head pipes. So this makes a pretty nice big difference in the parking situation. Things are starting to come together now. So let us go down the stairs here. So there is inside the garage. We have can lighting is installed now. This is our wire distribution system. We use 1,000-foot rolls of wire. It's more economic. And then when we put them on these roll setups, you get nice straight pieces of wire coming out. So I'm just going to put this under the work table, make things look all nice and neat for the weekend. Okay, and so you can see there's a bunch of additional new wiring coming in towards the electrical panel. And there is the new pocket door for the master bathroom. They decided to change that from a regular door to a pocket door, and they wanted to get a wider door for disability accessibility. Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA, that's what it is. Okay, so we have our pipes in up here. The first one to the right is the vent for the toilet. That'll be its own vent. Then there is the 2-inch pipe up with an 1.5-inch vent pipe coming up and over, and that will be for the laundry tub. And then we have the 2-inch drain for the wash machine with a 2-inch drain and 2-inch vent on that. and that 1.5-inch pipe will come up and across and then on out. Over here we have the toilet vent for that toilet there, and it comes across over to the 3-inch main vent. And then there's a lavatory sink drain and vent there, and then the third one is a vent for a sink downstairs. Everything gets its own vent. Over here, this is the pipe and vent for the lavatory sink here in the master bathroom, and this is the shower, which will be a built-in custom cement base shower that we're going to build. And under the wood here is the 2-inch vent for the shower. Okay, so let me we got to get things all covered up here for the weekend. Actually, the lock on this, if I can find it. I'm going to be able to find it with my klutzy hands here. This is going to make for some good video. There's the lock. Okay. Now I can get it all covered up nice and proper. Okay, now this is what you call high standards quality video. Okay, there. Now we have things put away. Alright, now let us walk over here and make sure the power is unplugged upstairs. No, it's not. So we shall unplug the power here. Okay. And you can see here we have out on the end there H1 brackets nailing the joists to the beam. And then the beam has the AC post caps connecting to the post in the beam. And down the bottom on the concrete are the ABU 46 post cap or post bases. And then out here we have the H1s all along here. So we will have our decking ordered here next Monday, and while we're waiting for that, the trusses are supposed to be coming on either Wednesday or Thursday, so we are really looking forward to that. Then give a quick look at what's going on downstairs here. Okay, so we have the plumbing is finished down here. We've got the toilet comes down there, and there's the 2-inch vent for it. This here is the drain for the laundry tub, and over here is where the washing machine drain hooks into that. Everything has a 1/4 inch per foot slope on it. And and then it goes into the 3-inch line here. So you can see that's the upstairs toilet and vent next to that. You can see the 3-inch main pipe has a 1.25 inch slope per foot on it. And then we have a clean out here, and this pipe here comes in across over there, and right there is the connection to the lavatory in the master bathroom, and then this pipe here is coming over to the shower, and there is the vent for the shower. And again, everything is maintaining that 1/4 inch per foot slope. So everything has worked out very nicely. You can see the slope of the pipe there. And all the pipes coming across the top are going to be in the ceiling. They just barely make it. And then we have wiring is in progress. We have 12-2, which is the yellow, 2 circuits alternating every other outlet. Circuit 1, circuit 2, circuit 1, circuit 2, circuit 1, circuit 2. It alternates throughout the garage like that. And then the lights are going to have LED trims inside of them. And so those are on 14 gauge wire, and there will be 2 lighting circuits in the garage. 1 circuit on this side and another circuit for this entry and this side of the garage. So we pretty much have the wiring done for the first floor here, and we will not be doing the wiring upstairs until the trusses are in place. Okay, so that is the progress report for the week ending July 20th, 2018. So I hope you're enjoying following along with this project. We have a couple of more months to go, probably about 5 more months before we're completely finished with this. And there is exciting stuff coming up. Mostly the roof truss framing. And then we'll start doing some other things. We'll have the framing inspection coming up as soon as the plumbing and electrical are finished and the roof trusses and sheathing are up. So, okay, hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like it, please do subscribe and hit that like button if you like the video, and hopefully you have seen something and learned a little bit and gotten some good ideas for your own projects. Okay, thank you. I figure I might as well take a Galaxy S7 view, different perspective, tighter angle. You can see how that driveway cuts into the sloping grade of the hill, especially towards the right. Okay,